a spigot. I don't know what it's about or whether I can find it, but let's go and have a look. Right, here we are again at Latters or Hartlake Bridge. A subscriber has told me that there's another monument, memorial, whatever you want to call it. Right, is it this side of the river? Oh, I've never done this part before. Another spot for fishing. The river seems very still. Oh, there's something here in the woods. What's this thing? Some sort of... Oh, well, what a blow. What a place to find a spigot. A World War II spigot. Spigot mortar. Oh, very nice. Very pretty. Oh, there's the bridge, Hartlake Bridge, which I called Latters. What a quiet, peaceful spot. Oh, I wouldn't like to say how long this path goes on for. Oh, absolutely beautiful spot. Gorgeous, look at it. Ooh. I fancy never been along here before. Well, now I have. This church is famous in Tudley. So looking at it, seeing it's half brick, half stonework, you think, oh, is it? But is it open? Can only but try. Oh, it's still open. Ah, see now. You see the windows from the outside, they don't look much, but look, you get the light come through, and that is a window done by a Russian artist called Mark Chagall. I think he worked in Paris, but then he came over here and installed the windows. And his paintings are worth millions. They're all round, but that one's got the light coming through it the most. A bit more impressive on the inside than the outside. There you go, look. They just look plain. No colour, nothing from the outside. When you get the light through, you get all the effect. I think we're going to have a look at the next church and see if they're having a service there. What does annoy me about having a bike, should carry less road tax, but This is double than my car. My car's only about 30-35 pound, I think. This is something like 60-65 pounds. Ridiculous that a two-wheel 535 solo motorcycle carries more road tax than a car. Oh, there you go. Folks, I thought I couldn't get in. The lady's just come out and give me a key. Let's see if it's this door. Two chances, haven't I? I don't think it's this one. Nearly lost the key in there. Oh, what a lovely evening. What a lovely peaceful evening. Right, now we try this door. I can't see a lock on it though. Is there a lock? No, it's not this one. Oh, it might be. Hold on, there's something. Oh, it's not that lock. Is there another door? Is it this door? Have I done it wrong? Put the key in. Right, put my crash out down on the rubber mat. Right. Oh, I put. Aha! We have entry. We have entry. Oh, that's awkward. You could lose the key in that. I wonder what wall. Ah, I see. There was pictures on that wall, yes, and they're faded. I see. Don't know if there's enough light to show you on the camera. Oh yes. They must have been good when they're first uncovered, but of course now they're uncovered, the light. Ah, here's what they look like. Wow. Lovely quiet church. There's the outdoors. Okay. Wow, that was very nice pictures in their day. Oh, what a shame they're fading. Very interesting, though. Medieval wall paintings. Capel church wall paintings. Medieval wall paintings were uncovered in the north wall of the nave in 1927 by Professor Tristram. They belong to two distant periods, the earlier ornamental scheme being dated from circa 1200 the later superimposed and incorporated with the first circa 1250. Yes, locked. Hello, young man. Yeah, it is I, the Westerham Flyer.